In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable extensions in Google Chrome. So for example, if you have Google Calendar, Scribe, Grammarly, Loom, HubSpot Sales, this video is for you. So what you're going to do is while you're logged into Google Chrome, you're going to go on the very upper right here where you got the three dots. That's the menu of Google Chrome. You can go all the way down to More Tools, and then you want to click on where it says Extensions. Now from here, what you want to do is you want to click on the app that you want to either remove or to enable or disable. So for example, if we go to Auto Refresh Plus, and if we want to enable it, we just click on that little blue thing here, and then you click re-enable, and vice versa. If we wanted to disable, we just make it white, and then of course if we want to remove it, we just click remove. Alright, so that's pretty much self-explanatory. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe.